Overview of different models available in software testing: waterfall model, spiral model, V model, prototype model, hybrid model. Waterfall model is software development lifecycle procedure to build a software. Model consists of different stages: requirement collection, feasibility study, design, high-level design, low-level design, coding, testing, implementation, maintenance. Business analyst, who is the domain expert, collect the requirement and study briefly and collect the features and documented. Business analyst given to the architect and developer to design. Then high-level design and low-level design done by architect or developer. They design architecture of entire application in detail, and then design given to developer to start develop the code. In this model, developer only tests the code. After testing is given the software to customer. Business start running in implementation stage. In maintenance stage, customer start using software. When we use waterfall model, if application is not complex and there are no requirement changes. Advantage and disadvantage while using waterfall model: advantage, when the customer is agree with the requirement freeze and they do not want any changes in the requirement. Disadvantage, testing is not done in every stage. Rework is done when the requirement is changes. Waterfall model also defined as top-down sequential approach. If we are coding stage and if we find error in the requirement, we can't go back and remove the wrong requirement. It is done after the maintenance. That means rework is done once again in top-down approach. That's why it is called as a waterfall model.